Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBT tutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today video, I'm gonna teach you on how to create a closer campaign and so that we can do the agent to agent blind transfer, closer campaign and closer inbound group. Okay, so first you need to go to login your administration, then go to the campaign. I can add new campaign. I will tell this one as a closer. Okay. And then for now, I just put default and 24 hours, agent call, longest wait time. Okay. Okay, so after creating the closer closer campaign, so from here you need to select the inbound group blended, and so if are really closer, you can set this one inbound one so that they can able to receive the transfer, and then you can submit. Okay, so after that, if you want to separate the closer with the user groups, so you need to create a user group for closer. So I just put closer. Okay, and then you can select the campaign. They can view the all groups. Okay, if you want to see their agent logs, agent view time status. Okay, so after that, you can go to the campaign back again. Okay, this one, the closer. And you can change this one, the agent groups, closer. And then we're going to create a user for the closer. Okay, add user. So from here, I put 9 at our user here. Let me check. 98803. So, same password for now. We can put here closer or 988 closer. Now you okay, so from here 988, so password 988 for the meantime. So we can remove this one. Agent choose blended. No. For callback, you can set the callback if you want. If you allow manual dialing, you can set manual dialing. Closer default blended. You can check over here. Uh, okay, we cannot check this one and then save. Let's see what will happen. And then you can select the we don't have yet the inbound for closer, so we need to create additional inbound for closer. So add new group, closer, inbound. You can change the color. So as you can see, there uh, is not assigned to the campaign. So you need to go to the campaign, go back to the closer campaign, and then you need to select over. This one allow to transfer agent direct closer submit. And then you can go in here our main campaign. So for the main campaign, you can remove the agent direct over there, and then the transfer group. Okay. Okay. After that, because we were creating a new phone, a new user. So for this one, we need to create phones. Okay. So from phones, you need to copy the existing phone. Okay. I can copy the settings from here, or we can actually add manually. Okay. So I can use this one as a password. So we're using PJZip, so we need to change this one to PJZip. And we are using a web phone, so using web phone. So client protocol PJZip, and then our template should be the PJZip. And then don't forget to copy this password and go back to the user, and you need to change this one. Okay, so let's try to log in now our closer agent campaign. Okay, agent. Okay, this is not the original page. Okay, closer campaign. Mm, okay. Okay, this is the looks of the agent closer. So we can check now on the real time. If you see the real time, as you can see here, the status was closer. Okay. And now I'm gonna log in another user. Okay. I'm gonna log in the regular agent. And go to the main. Okay. Okay, so let's try to make a call. So for now, if we have okay, so let's see our real time. Okay, so we have one inbound group, and should we go to the main for now? Okay, so this is our main. If I go to ready, okay, I able to get the call, and then to do the agent to agent blind transfer. Okay, so transfer comp can go to the closer, and then you can uh, click the closer, or first you can park the customer and then local closer. Okay, then successful transfer. Let's see now on our closer. Okay, let's check on from here. I need to log out. Oh wait, it's going back to the inbound. I'm sorry. I think I did not transfer to the correct one. So let me answer again the call. Where's the call going? Yes, now it's think is here. Wait, I think there is no group selected on here. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's go back on here. Yeah, I see. Call is coming now. So now the call has been transferred to closer agent. Okay, so this came from inbound and the caller ID this one, and our inbound the ID this one. Okay, so it's working. So be sure the um so be sure the uh agent settings, the user agent settings uh should be selected the closer or in group, so that there's no issue when you do the transfer. You can also use the agent direct. Okay, so recording should be, you can set to all force. Okay, so I wanna create additional agents, additional groups, so that I can move the my agents over here, so they cannot see uh they can see the other campaigns. Okay. Okay, so let's recap. So first, we create we create a closer campaign, and also we create a closer user group. And we assign inbound blended, and then dial method to inbound month. Recording should be all force, and then our inbound group setting closer. Also the okay, let's submit. So our user group is here. So selected only one campaign. You can see all the agents and groups. Okay. Okay. So and then we created the inbound group. Also inbound group for closer. Okay. So hope you are enjoying our video. This is our HB tutor for your basic setup, installation, configuration, and please don't forget to like and share our video. And thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.